We're going through a cave in a hotel. I think they have a boat ride here too somewhere. We're at the Grand Ole Opry.
We had to come check it out while we're here in Nashville.
How you doing, everybody?
Welcome to K&E RV TV. I am the E. I am Erin. Welcome.
And I'm the K. I'm Kim.
She's always behind the camera usually. But today we're in Nashville.
We're in Nashville. And we're starting our morning here right outside the Grand Ole Opry.
Yes, which is located right by the Opry Mills Mall where we did park. So we're just checking this place out. We're not attending any shows today.
No, unfortunately.
But we do want to check it out, of course. So let's do it.
We'll check out the outside. Just took some photos here. Another one over here as well. It's a beautiful area around here. This is the whole mall. It's a massive mall. Has everything you can want in there, I think. Just driving around the outside. We parked our RV at the Bass Pro Shop, which is also in the mall. We will be heading to the Opryland Hotel shortly. We just wanted to stop here first and check out the outside of the Opry House. This is what it looks like here. There's Dolly up in the corner. Kelsey Ballerini, Darius Rucker. I see Reba over there on the other side. I think Carrie and Keith. But there's tons of beautiful flowers all around. It's very beautiful here.
There's benches and tables to sit at. So pretty.
Love it. Now we can say we at least been to the outside.
Yeah.
Well, one day we'll go into for a concert. But we're only here a couple days, and the concerts that I checked were not anybody that we knew. So it's pricey to go here. So I would only do it if it was someone that I like to see at least. Gonna head into the Opry shop. See what they got in there.
Why not? 100 years of Grand Ole Opry, Nashville, Tennessee. They have a ton of merch in here. All kinds of hats, t-shirts, jackets, even socks. Probably great for your cowboy boots. They even have seating out there. But it's a pretty big store too. We're on the hunt for a Nashville sticker, so I'm hoping they have one in here. Bring home a bit of Opry history, posters. That's so cool.
This is Chris Jensen.
Oh, we got to see him in Hampton Beach.
Like 2 years ago.
He was amazing too. These are really nice. They'd be some great artwork. We got some big old country boots too. Oh wow, look at these. Holy moly. Those are studded, baby. Woo! I love this tiny little like purse. What would Dolly do? A booty wash. It's this bar soap that looks like a cowboy boot. That's fun. Oh, even a wine stopper. They even have Goo Goo clusters.
Look, and you can get individual ones, and they're cheaper than what we bought in Nashville.
Yeah.
Because I wanted this peanut butter one.
Well, now you can try one. I love it. They even have stuff for your pups. Little water bowls and toys. We found a Nashville sticker. We actually collect stickers as our souvenirs because we don't have a lot of room in the RV. And that one's kind of like, it's like a patch. It's got a fun texture to it. And it's kind of small, so I think it'll fit, and you know, we can find a good spot for it on our board.
Cheap souvenir, baby.
It doesn't take a lot of room or a lot of weight. They even have a food truck out here at the Opry, I guess, you know, after a concert, maybe before. The back porch barbecue. It's fun.
All right, we had a good time.
Yeah, it was nice
around here. But now we're gonna head to the Opryland Hotel.
Yeah.
One of the coolest hotels. Welcome to Gaylord Opryland. Oh, it's like Elf. Oh, it's big. Oh, we can both fit in here on this side. This is beautiful. We are in a hotel.
It's so beautiful in here.
Wow. Waterfalls, Aaron. We've been chasing waterfalls. We can't get away. How fun is this? This is beautiful. Especially on a bright sunny day like today. Oh, we should have ate at one of these restaurants. But they're definitely pricey restaurants, but look at the rooms. You get this beautiful view on the balcony.
That's gotta be premium. Premium. Fun fact, the resort's Cascades atrium opened in 1988 with more than 8,200 ornamental plants. So gorgeous in here. Crazy. All the palm trees. And we got some waterfall action.
We're going up. I know it's bright in here. Here's a closer look at one of the balconies. You can see it has a little divider in between. A little table and chairs outside. Oh, today's Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. We're going through a cave in a hotel. I think they have a boat ride here too somewhere. Oh wow. How beautiful. It's the backside of water. Leave a comment. Tell us if you know where that's from. Can you see the people down there? Beautiful hotel. That's for sure. There's this whole walkway that you could walk and look at everything from above. A nice bar there at the falls. If you were staying in one of these rooms right here, would you sleep with your door open so you could hear the water?
Maybe.
Maybe? Do they have it running all night long?
I would think so.
So we found a map here of how massive this hotel is.
We're here.
We're here just in the lobby. We just did this whole little part here. But it is this whole hotel. We know the river boat ride is over here, so maybe we're gonna head over there next. But they literally have like a water park here.
Yep.
They have indoor pools, outdoor pools, so many. There's like 12 different restaurants. A lot going on here at this hotel.
Everything you could want.
We've been smelling the cocoa bean coffee shop right here. It smells so good. Looks like they got Starbucks in there. A beautiful check-in area.
Oh my gosh, look at this even stained glass in the ceiling over here.
Oh, stained glass in the ceiling over here. The stained glass is so beautiful. You can see all the different designs in it. The butterfly and the ladybugs. There's like a banjo and a fiddle, a bumblebee. It's just so pretty. And this is just right in the lobby as soon as you walk in. With this like blown glass sculpture right here. Gorgeous.
This is Delta Island. Wow.
This hotel is so massive.
This is crazy.
And it's like, we feel like we're outside, but we're really inside.
Yes.
There's air conditioning.
It's nuts. And like I felt like the lobby area was impressive. And this is even bigger. Like way bigger. Wow.
Oh look.
We got horses playing music.
Playing the guitar.
Up here. See a boat over here. How pretty.
There's a riverboat.
Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little shadowy over here, but there's this awesome staircase.
Look at the clock.
Like iron staircase. Clock tower. All these buildings give me very much like French or like New Orleans vibes. Even like the lanterns. Oh, so cute.
This is, I don't even know where I feel like
I know, like don't feel like we're in Nashville, that's for sure. Italian restaurant. Cute little courtyard in here too.
Feel like you're in Italy?
Something. It kind of just give me like Epcot.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe like
Ooh, I
Epcot
see
vibes.
the pizza.
Oh. Yummy. It smells really good too. Oh. We decided to grab lunch in the food court in the mall right next door to save ourselves a few bucks because we are girlies on a budget. If you're new here, we do live in our RV full time and travel, and we are headed up to New Hampshire for the summer.
Apparently you can build your own burgers here. I didn't see this on the website. It is 12 bucks to build your own burger.
Over here at the water's edge, we found they do have a few more restaurants down there. There's Chicken Pickins, they have like chicken sandwich, chicken tenders, even some canned cocktails and wine. There's also a taco about it and a mac and cheese, please. But right down here is the Delta Riverboat Company, where you can take the boat around the whole atrium. It's so beautiful in here. Something really fun to do with your family. I don't know if you'll be able to see in the camera, but there's a bunch of like string lights hanging, so it's gotta look so beautiful here at night as well. They do have a fountain show, I believe, that goes off at 7 and 9, something like that in the evening. But that would probably be really pretty to see as well.
We thought about it.
Yeah.
I wanted to see what it looked like during the day.
Yes. With
Sunshine.
exactly, with all the foliage, I feel like that was more like our one time being here, that's what we wanted to see.
But if you're staying here,
Oh yeah.
you get all the world.
Yeah. But it's just so, everywhere you look, it's like green and beautiful, and it's just so different. Like, this is not something you're gonna see. I've never seen anything like this before in real life. I mean, up close and personal, I guess you could say.
A hotel with a boat ride in it?
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Right?
Here comes the boat ride. And it looks like your little boat ride is narrated. That's nice. The boat ride is definitely slow, but for the price, you're getting your money's worth, I guess. And it's great that they have somebody narrating. And that's so cool.
And again,
I love it.
When can you ride a boat inside of a hotel?
They have beautiful lights like on the archway as the boat goes under. Okay, we were just walking across all these plaques here, and look how cool this is. It's called the Blending of the Waters. On July 28th, 1996, water from more than 1,700 sites around the world was blended into this river here.
Commemorating the opening of the Delta section.
Right? That's so cool. And it literally lists every single state and where the water came from in each state all along these plaques.
Well, it just makes it so much cooler. And I noticed there's some fish signs back here, so I'm assuming these are the fish that are
in there. Blue catfish, common carp, bluegill, and another catfish. So here's the prices as of right now. The day cruise is $15.99 for the Delta Riverboat, or they have a nighttime one that's $20.99.
And it's a silent disco. They give you headphones and play music, so
that's fun with all the lights.
That one's from 7:30 to 9:30.
That'd be so fun if you're staying here. So I just asked, and the boat ride takes about 15 minutes. 15 bucks for basically. Came off the elevator. As soon as we came out, it's this beautiful waterfall. I just love the sound.
I can't get over it in here. What are we?
Came across the Delta Pavilion, and you could definitely tell that there's some weddings that have happened here. What a great spot. We're now going to take the conservatory skywalk, and this is a whole completely new section that we haven't been in yet. Has a lot of the little hanging, twinkling lights. So I'm sure at nighttime, the ambiance in here is crazy.
We found another fun fact. The Garden Conservatory section was opened in 1983. It consists of 467 guest rooms and 2 acres of tropical garden.
So that's this whole area in here.
Crazy.
What did you think of the Opryland Hotel?
I don't even have really words for it. It's just everywhere you look, you're like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Like you just see people taking care of all the plants throughout the entire thing. Like it's obviously, it's like a 24-hour job. It's gotta be, but it's absolutely stunning in here. Like,
Definitely well taken care of. Yeah, definitely well taken care of. We actually parked at the Opry Mills Mall across the street and walked over here. It was definitely a hike, but worth it to see this.
And they charge $37 to park your car for the day. So again, if you're trying to save money, like we always are. But yeah, this place is incredible. If you have the opportunity to come check it out, I'd say absolutely. If you're super lucky and you've stayed here before, please let us know. Let us know if you've done the boat rides as well in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about it. A lot of you did suggest us coming here, so thank you for that. Also the tip to park at the mall and walk over. We appreciate that information too. You guys always help us out and we are so thankful. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button. If you are new to our channel, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and please do that. It is free, and that way you won't miss any of our uploads coming from our next adventures.
Yeah, we are on our way to New Hampshire. We live full-time in our RV, and our next spot is going to be in Kentucky at Mammoth Cave National Park. We have a tour scheduled to go into the cave, so we're super excited for that.
Yeah, and we'd love for you to join us, so we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.